Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change age on Likee. First of all, launch open Likee application. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change the age, you'll have to go to the profile interface. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You can see your profile over here. So if you want to change your age, what you have to do is tap on the edit option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit the profile informations. You'll be able to find the options like name, Likee ID, bio, birth, etc. So for changing your age, what you have to do is change your birth here. So simply tap on the field of birth. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change your birth year over here. So what you have to do is simply select your birth year. After you do that, tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now once the birth year has been changed, your age will be changed automatically. So like this, you'll be able to change your age. So that is how you change your age on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.